Good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are very good. Good. So today we are going to do a craft activity, that is ballerian. We have to make a ballerian with the help of some material, and the material that is mentioned on page number 11. And for making, you all have to follow my instructions. So here is the material which is required for the craft activity. Cupcake liners, googly eyes, ice cream sticks and a wool. So first what we have to do, we just have to paste the ice cream sticks with glue. Paste 2 ice cream sticks to make them broad, or you can take a broad ice cream stick also. Now we have to paste the hairs with the help of glue. You can take any color for the hairs. I'll take yellow one. I just make 2 ballerians, and the hair of second ballerian is of red color. And you can make any style. Now what we have to do, we have to take the googly eyes and paste the googly eyes on the ballerians with the help of glue. Now I'll take ice cream stick and cut it from its center for making the hands of this ballerian. I just paste the hand with the help of glue. So you have to paste the hands with the help of glue, similarly as for second one. Now I'll take the cupcake liner for making the dress. For that I'll cut the liner from the center. It looks so beautiful. Now you have to draw a face with the help of sketch color and the shoes for these ballerians. Now it is ready. Thank you. So student, I hope you all understand how to do this craft. Good. You all have to complete your craft and bring it in your next class. Thank you.